Hello, welcome back everyone. Xin kính chào các cô chú, các anh chị và các bạn đã trở lại kênh chú bà Dallas. Hôm nay mình nấu một món ăn chơi. Đó là món salsa của người Mễ Tây Cơ. Thành phần mình có là cà chua, ngò, củ hành tây, một trái ớt jalapeno, và đây là mình xài 8 trái chanh nhỏ, muối, chicken powder với lại garlic powder. Okay, those are the ingredients that I'll be using, but there's an additional secret ingredient that I'll be adding at the end. Okay, first you need to dice the tomatoes. Okay, you would like to pick the ones that are, choose the tomatoes that are firm, and then maybe add in one or two a little bit softer. That way you can get the juice of the tomatoes in the salsa. Some people prefer more of the juice. So here are my tomatoes all diced up. Next step, you'll be dicing the yellow onion. Okay, at this point I was deciding if I wanted to use the whole onion or not, because it seems large. So I decided to use just the 3/4 of the onion. Okay, just small, dice it small. It's up to you. You can use the whole onions if you like the onion flavor. I just decided to take 3/4 of it. Okay, just dice it small, or you like it chunky, you can dice it bigger size than mine. Okay, all diced up. And here's the cilantro. Time to dice the cilantro as well. The cilantro you can use as much as you like, and it adds in, goes well with the red tomato. The green of the cilantro goes well with the tomato. It makes it look really pretty, and the smell of it too, really nice. Okay, I decided to use half of the jalapeno. Make sure you take the seeds out and the white strip. Julienne it, and then dice it real small. And here you can use the whole jalapeno too if you like. I didn't want it to be too spicy, so I use half. It's an easy recipe. You just use as much as you like, whatever ingredients you like. But the main ingredients are just mostly tomatoes, jalapeno, cilantro, and onions. Okay, here are the jalapeno diced up, just half of it. And then this is my secret, baby clams. I put baby clams in my salsa. Okay, so drain it out. I use 2 cans. Okay, you can discard the liquid that's from the cans. I'm running under water just to rinse it out, and then I lightly squeeze so all the water is out of the clams, and then I let it drain some more for an additional 10 minutes. Okay, here it is all drained, all dried. Okay, and this is eight juice of 8 limes. I decided to use about six limes. That's why I have some left over. I put in a teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of chicken powder, and just mix it up so it blends well. And then I add in the salt to balance out the sourness. And after tasting it, it's kind of sour for me, so I add another teaspoon of sugar. Okay. And here I'm going to start combining all of the ingredients. Bắt đầu mình trộn mọi thứ vô trong cái cà. Bỏ baby clams vô. Mấy cái hành, mấy cái ngò mà mình đã cắt nhỏ rồi. Okay, just add in your diced onions and your cilantro. Now we're going to add in the, I call it the marinated lime juice. Bây giờ mình bỏ mọi thứ trong cái tô bự rồi mình đổ cái nước chanh á, là mình đã bỏ gia vị vô rồi, bây giờ mình trộn lên thôi. Trộn lên cho nó đều. Rồi xong mình sẽ bỏ trong tủ lạnh ít nhất 1 tiếng đồng hồ cho nó lạnh, ăn lạnh ngon. Okay, after you mix everything up, you put in the refrigerator at least an hour. It tastes better when it's cold. Okay, then here you have it. Something to snack on, or even for like game day. It's really good. You eat it with chips, tortilla chips, or even potato chips, or just by itself. It tastes good. Okay, like I did not add my jalapeno into that because some of us in the family do not eat spicy food, so that's why I kept it separately. But if you like, and majority of your family members like spicy, you just add the jalapeno and mix it all at once. Rồi, xong một món nữa. Chúc mọi người ngon miệng nha. Bon appetit, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.